On August 12, 2025, the world woke up to a headline that felt straight out of science fiction. It was the kind of news that made people stop in their tracks, rubbing their eyes to make sure they weren't dreaming. Overnight, a single announcement had the power to shift the world's attention, uniting people in curiosity and awe. Elon Musk, Tesla's visionary leader, released a video announcing a revolutionary new battery. His words echoed across the globe, promising a future that seemed almost impossible just a day before. The world listened, captivated, as Musk described a leap forward that could change everything. This wasn't just an upgrade, this was an entirely new kind of battery, ready for production. Engineers and scientists had been working in secret, and now, their creation was about to step into the spotlight. The breakthrough? A battery made with aluminum, one of Earth's most common and abundant metals. It promised clean, affordable energy for all, using resources that could be found almost anywhere on the planet. Suddenly, the dream of universal access to sustainable power felt within reach. The news exploded across social media and news outlets, instantly becoming the world's hottest topic. People everywhere shared their excitement, their skepticism, and their hopes for what this could mean. For years, lithium-ion batteries powered our devices and cars, but they're expensive, use rare materials, and wear out. The limitations of lithium had long been a barrier to true energy independence, and many wondered if we'd ever find a better solution. Musk's announcement hinted at a future where those problems vanish. Imagine a world where energy is cleaner, cheaper, and more reliable than ever before. A world where technology and sustainability finally go hand in hand. It felt like a historic leap, comparable to the invention of the light bulb or the airplane. Moments like these don't come often, but when they do, they redefine what's possible for generations to come. The message was clear. The future of energy is here, and it's better than we ever imagined. People began to dream of homes, cities, and entire countries powered by this new technology. Tesla claimed the battery was real, tested, and ready to change the world. The company's confidence only fueled the excitement, as experts and skeptics alike scrambled to learn more. People everywhere imagined electric cars with longer range, homes powered day and night, and a cleaner planet. The possibilities seemed endless and hope was in the air. Musk wasn't just launching a product, he was launching a new era. The world watched, knowing that history was unfolding before their eyes. The world was left asking, could this be the breakthrough we've been waiting for? The spark had been lit, and now the world was ready to see what would happen next. So what is this aluminum-ion battery? For years, lithium-ion batteries have powered our lives, but lithium is rare and costly. Tesla's new battery swaps lithium for aluminum, a metal found everywhere from soda cans to airplanes. Aluminum is abundant and cheap, making batteries and electric cars more affordable. The real breakthrough? Tesla claims this isn't just a lab experiment, it's ready for mass production. Engineers reportedly solved the challenges that held aluminum-ion batteries back. The promise, a battery that charges in minutes, is safer and lasts longer than anything before. Imagine never needing to replace your car's battery. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete reimagining of energy storage. Tesla says it's cleaner, cheaper, and more powerful. The world is watching to see if it delivers. What makes aluminum-ion batteries so special? Why is the tech world buzzing about them? And how do they stand apart from the batteries we use every day? In simple terms, aluminum ions carry 3 times the charge of lithium ions. Imagine a worker carrying 3 boxes instead of just 1. This fundamental difference means aluminum-ion batteries can potentially store much more energy in the same amount of space. For electric vehicles, this could translate to dramatically longer driving ranges, fewer charging stops, and a real shift in how we think about electric transportation. It's a game changer for anyone worried about running out of power on the road. But there's a catch. Aluminum ions are larger and heavier than lithium ions, and that extra size can be tough on battery components. Early aluminum-ion batteries wore out quickly as the bigger ions damaged the delicate internal parts. Tesla claims to have solved this with new materials, including graphene, a super-strong, ultra-thin form of carbon that acts like armor for the battery's insides, protecting it from wear and tear. They've also swapped out the flammable liquids found in traditional batteries for a non-flammable electrolyte, making the battery much safer and more stable, even under stress or high temperatures. The result? A battery that not only charges at lightning speed, but also lasts much longer and is far less likely to catch fire. A huge leap forward in both convenience and safety. This isn't just a simple swap of metals. It's a complete reimagining of how batteries are built, designed specifically to unlock aluminum's unique strengths and overcome its challenges. Lithium-ion batteries were a great step forward, powering everything from smartphones to electric cars. But aluminum-ion could be a giant leap, opening doors to new possibilities in energy storage and mobility. Stronger materials, safer liquids, and more powerful ions are coming together for a true breakthrough, one that could reshape the future of energy. It's like upgrading from a country road to a superhighway for energy, allowing electricity to flow faster, farther, and more reliably than ever before. That's why the world is watching so closely. The potential of aluminum-ion batteries is enormous, and if the technology delivers, it could change the way we power our lives. Tesla's aluminum-ion battery promises three big things: safety, affordability, and power. But these aren't just buzzwords. They represent a leap forward that could reshape the way we think about energy, transportation, and even our daily lives. First, safety. No more stories of batteries catching fire. For years, battery fires have made headlines, causing concern for electric car owners and smartphone users alike. The new battery uses a non-flammable liquid, making overheating almost impossible. This means peace of mind, whether you're driving, charging, or storing your devices at home. Next, cost. Aluminum is abundant and cheap, unlike lithium and cobalt, which are rare and expensive. Mining for lithium and cobalt also has environmental and ethical concerns, but aluminum is widely available and easier to source. This could make electric cars and home batteries affordable for millions more people. Imagine a world where clean energy isn't a luxury but something everyone can access. Power is the third promise, up to 50% more energy density, meaning longer range for cars and more storage for homes. This could revolutionize how far we travel and how we use energy every day. Imagine driving 800 or even 1,000 kilometers on a single charge and recharging in just 15 minutes. Road trips become easier, and range anxiety could be a thing of the past. That's faster than filling up with gas. The convenience could finally tip the scales for millions considering the switch to electric. These batteries could last 3 times longer than today's, reducing waste and saving money. Fewer replacements mean less environmental impact and more savings over time. The combination of safety, cost, and power isn't just an improvement, it's a transformation. It could accelerate the shift to clean energy in cities and homes everywhere. Clean technology becomes accessible, reliable, and convenient. It's a future where innovation serves everyone, not just a select few. This is the future Tesla says is within reach. Engineers and scientists are racing to make it a reality, and the world is watching closely. If true, it could change how we live, travel, and power our world. The ripple effects would touch every corner of society from cities to remote villages. The vision: safer streets, cleaner air, and energy for everyone. It's a bold promise, one that could define the next era of progress. Now, the world waits to see it delivered. The next few years will reveal if this breakthrough can truly power a safer, cheaper, and more powerful future for all. For years, aluminum-ion batteries were a scientist's dream, powerful in theory but plagued by problems. The biggest issue: dendrites, tiny metal spikes that caused batteries to fail quickly. Another challenge: finding a cathode material that could survive thousands of charges. Tesla claims to have solved both with a new graphene cathode and a special non-flammable electrolyte. The graphene cathode resists wear, giving the battery a long life. The new electrolyte prevents dendrites, making the battery safer and more reliable. These breakthroughs mean the battery can be charged and discharged thousands of times. It's not just an upgrade, it's the key to unlocking aluminum-ion's full potential. The dream is now a reality. The impact of this battery goes far beyond electric cars. Home energy storage, like Tesla's Powerwall, could become affordable for nearly everyone. Families could store solar energy and gain independence from the grid. On a larger scale, aluminum-ion batteries could stabilize entire power grids, making renewable energy reliable. Remote communities could build their own microgrids, bringing electricity to millions for the first time. Industries from shipping to aviation could electrify, cutting pollution everywhere. Countries could rely on their own sun and wind, not imported oil. The ripple effects would touch every part of society: cleaner air, more opportunity, and a fairer world. This isn't just a new battery, it's a tool for global transformation. The possibilities are staggering. The world's reaction to Musk's announcement was electric. Tesla's stock soared, while lithium markets tumbled. Social media buzzed with excitement. Aluminum battery trended worldwide. People imagined a future powered by this breakthrough, but with excitement came questions. Scientists and engineers wanted proof, independent tests, real-world data. Was the technology truly ready for mass production? Journalists dug for details. When would the first cars roll out? Where would factories be built? The world was hopeful, but cautious. Extraordinary claims need extraordinary evidence. Everyone wanted this future to be real. The conversation had started, a global debate about the next era of energy. Now, all eyes are on Tesla to deliver. August 12, 2025, could mark a turning point for humanity. If Tesla's aluminum-ion battery lives up to its promise, we're looking at a cleaner, more sustainable world. This breakthrough could help us win the race against climate change. Imagine cities with clean air, homes powered by the sun, and energy that's cheap and abundant. The benefits, environmental, social, and economic, are immense. The world now waits for the first cars, power walls, and grid-scale batteries to roll out. Each milestone will show if this new era is real. It will take global effort, but the vision is clear, a hopeful, sustainable future. This is a story of human ingenuity and optimism. The spark has been lit, the world is watching, ready for a new chapter in clean energy.